Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use autofill in Excel. It's a very intelligent tool, very intelligent. It will do a lot of stuff for you and save you a lot of time. Say for example, I've mentioned a number over here, time over here, abbreviation for Monday or weekday over here, the weekday name, abbreviation for month over here, the complete month, and alphanumeric number text over here, lesson 1. Now, if I say want to extend this and I selected this all, and at the corner I see this square, I drag it down, see what happens. It has intelligently understood that I wanted to extend this range and has given serial numbers. After 1 it put in 2, 3, 4, 5. After 1 a.m. it put in 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. It considered that this abbreviation to be considered as abbreviation for Monday, and put in the next days. Same for the full weekday name, same for the abbreviated names for the month. And over here, see, lesson 1 became lesson 2, 3, and 4. See, I can even drag one single thing. This is how intelligent Excel is. See? So this is how you use autofill. There is one more way, one more secret about it. So say for example, you have this cell and this range, and now you want to extend it. All right. And you go to this fill option in the home tab and click on series. It will ask you where do you want to do it. So say since this is a row, this is a column, so I would select column and type in linear, and step value is 1. I click in OK. See, it enters the series. What if I do something different? I select it, I go over here, I go to series, and I choose the step value as 3. So it will add 3 to every number. See? Isn't it amazing? So this is one option. Now, this is some text that is written over here. See, it's a pretty long text written over here. I want to now say that instead of this text extending up to column Q or this text extending up to column B, I want it just to be extending up to just column F for these 2 lines. So what I'll do is I'll select these and select up to the column which I want the text to extend to, and click on fill and click on justify and click on OK. See, the text has now been put over here. Nice. So this is how you use autofill in Excel. See you in the next video.